Hello kids, welcome to the next lecture of SS, Chapter 3, My School. Kids, in the previous lecture, we had completed 3 topics. Going to school. And what we had learned in this topic? क्या सीखा हमने इस टॉपिक में? Yes, we had learned in this topic about Nitin and his school. And next, we had learned topic school is fun. And what we had learned in this topic? Yes, we had learned different rooms in the school, like classroom, library, music room, computer lab, canteen, and activity room. And third, we had learned about classroom. And in this topic, we had learned different things in the classroom. Okay? Now we will start our today's topic. Open page number 33. Our today's topic is important people at school. But before start this topic, we will write some new words in our notebook. So open your notebook. Write today's date 7/7/20. Chapter 3, My School. I am PORTANT. Important. PEOPLE. People. VISITED. Visited. AROUND. Around. DIFFERENT. Different. WORK. Work. MANAGES. Manages. MET. Met. WENT. Went. LIBRARIAN. 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 GARDENER. 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 GARDEN. Garden. SWEEPER. 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 CLEAN. Clean. SECURITY. Security. GUARD. Guard. Security guard. DRIVER. Driver. DRIVES. Drives. Okay? Let's start. Important people at school. Means स्कूल के लिए जो जरूरी लोग होते हैं उनके बारे में जानेंगे. ओके? One day, Nitin's parents VISITED visited his school. One day, एक दिन Nitin's parents visited his school. नितिन के पेरेंट्स उसके स्कूल गए थे. Nitin took his parents AROUND around the school to meet the different people who work there. Nitin took his parents around the school. Means नितिन ने उसके पेरेंट्स को around the school. School घुमाया to meet the different people who work there. स्कूल के जो अलग अलग लोग थे उनसे मिलवाने के लिए. ओके, नाउ नितिन्स पेरेंट्स first met the whose principal principal. Nitin's parents first met the principal who manages manages the school. नितिन के पेरेंट्स फर्स्ट किससे मिलने गए? प्रिंसिपल से. प्रिंसिपल क्या करता है? Who manages the school. Now next, they next went to the classroom. They means who? Nitin and his parents. They went to the classroom and met his class teacher. वो कहाँ गए? क्लासरूम में गए and met his class teacher. She is Nitin's class teacher. The class teacher helps Nitin learn to read and write. क्लास टीचर क्या करती है नितिन को? The class teacher helps Nitin learn to read and write. लिखने और पढ़ने के लिए हेल्प करती है. Then next, नितिन कहाँ गया? They also went to the library to meet the librarian. Librarian. They means नितिन एंड नितिन की फैमिली कहाँ गए? लाइब्रेरी गए. किससे मिलने? लाइब्रेरियन. She is librarian. The librarian takes care of the books in the library. Librarian क्या करती है? She takes care of the books in the library. Now turn the page. Before they left, Nitin and his parents met a few more people who work around the school. फिर देखते हैं नितिन कहाँ गया. ओके, The gardener, GARDENER, gardener takes care of the school garden. Who is he? Gardener. And what does the gardener do? Gardener क्या करता है? The gardener takes care of the school garden. This is school garden. और गार्डनर क्या करता है? स्कूल गार्डन की केयर करता है. मीन्स जो प्लांट्स होते हैं उनकी देखभाल करता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट, नितिन एंड हिज फैमिली कहाँ गए? द SWEEPER, sweeper. The sweeper keeps the school CLEAN clean. The sweeper keeps the school clean. What does the sweeper do? Sweeper क्या करती है? The sweeper keeps the school clean. Means sweeper स्कूल को क्लीन रखते हैं. Now next, who is he? He is a security guard. And what does the security guard do? The security guard, SECURITY, security, GUARD, guard. The security guard guards the school. Means security guard स्कूल की रक्षा करता है. Now last. Who is he? This is bus. And who is he? This is a bus driver. So, what does the bus driver do? Bus driver क्या करता है? The bus driver, D-R-I-V-E-R, driver drives. Drives means चलाना. D-R-I-V-E-S, drives the school bus. The bus driver drives the school bus. बस ड्राइवर क्या करता है? स्कूल बस चलाता है. ओके? नाउ ब्रेन टीजर. अब आप सोचिए. ओके? अ गार्डनर कैन ऑल्सो बी अ टीचर. मीन्स दिस इज गार्डनर. ये गार्डनर भी एक टीचर है. जैसे हम आपको पढ़ाते हैं वैसे ही गार्डनर भी एक टीचर है. ओके? नेम वन थिंग दैट यू कैन लर्न फ्रॉम अ गार्डनर. कोई भी एक चीज बताओ कि आप गार्डनर से सीख सकते हैं. थिंक इट. वी कैन लर्न अबाउट प्लांट्स फ्रॉम अ गार्डनर. हम गार्डनर से प्लांट्स के बारे में सीखते हैं. और हम गार्डनर से प्लांट की देखभाल करना भी सीखते हैं. वी ऑल्सो लर्न टू टेक केयर ऑफ प्लांट्स. So kids, I hope you understood today's video. Thank you. Bye bye.